Hello lovely souls, welcome back to my channel Divine Tea with Luna. So as you all know, I was taking a little break and I think I'm well rested now and I'm back with another daily mini reading. So again, big thank you for everyone who follows me, who interacts with me and who resonates with my work. Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you. I am so grateful, and that's about it. Now go ahead and ground yourself and then choose between pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. I'm quickly going to go into pile 1 and see what messages you have for today. You have 5 of Swords. It's time to move on. It's time to let the old and worn out. To let go of the old and worn out. Oh, okay. Guys, yours is the only pile I feel which has 3 oracle cards. Yeah. So I feel that you are in a lot of conflict, but you're in a lot of conflict, and not only that, you are longing for peace. You're longing for peace for some time, but it just seems like even though you have gotten what you want, others are not happy with it, and you have a problem with the boundary setting and making others happy. You are a people pleaser in many ways. But right now, Spirit is asking you to take what you've gotten, take what you've achieved, and move on into your own being, into your own sphere. You definitely require peace and tranquility. You need to be with yourself, because this decision, this conflicting situation that you are in with other people right now, that is not serving you well. But what the purpose of that is to finally push you to make a decision for yourself, so that's a big deal. And I also see that once you follow through with what you've been trying to do in life, like what you've achieved or what you have honed over the years, that is really going to lead you to abundance. Okay, pile 1, that's your message. Gonna jump into pile 2 now. Pile 2, King of Cups. Either you are the King of Cups or King of Cups is coming, which means new love is on the horizon. Not only that, King of Cups is a healer. Father, healing and rest. So a lot of you have daddy issues, of course, and along with that, I also want you to understand, until you do not heal your inner child, you will not be able to be free. And if you are not free of the mental chains that have been put on you ever since you were a child, nothing's gonna change in your life. And I also feel that a huge importance on emotions is being put right now, and you are being asked to get a hold of your emotions, to finally understand. It's not in terms of controlling your emotions, it's in terms of healing your emotions so that they don't need to be controlled. There's a huge difference. The man in concern, the man who could be coming into your life, is a very generous man, and he's very creative and a very psychic person, and he he has a world view which is very benevolent, and uh, there's something about this man. He's very grounded into who he is, and that is what I see. And for those who are needing to heal from their father issues, I must say that once you let go and forgive your father for the man that he could not be, but the man you deserved or wished while you were growing up, forgive him because he did not know better. Forgive him even if he's acting like a complete jackass. And because from their consciousness they think they are right in whatever they're doing, but maybe universe has not given them that place or channel to grow in their consciousness, so they're going to behave and operate from a very lower level of consciousness, and that's not on you, that's on them. So I'm asking you to disconnect. And this card is also this spread is also indicating that you need a lot of rest and healing. So you know what, just it's also the monsoon season, so just go ahead and take a nap for the day and stop working so hard. That's it for you, pile 2. Let's see what's in store for pile 3. 4 of Swords. You need rest, let yourself receive, and friendship. You recently had a huge heartbreak. You have been hurt, betrayed, and right now you are in this energy of coming into stability within yourself again. What other messages I'm also getting is that friends are playing a huge role in your life right now. It can work two ways. Either these are the friends who put you in this situation, or you are depending on friends to get out of it. Either way, it's good, because in the former you get to know finally who's who and whom you can depend on, whom you can call your friend. And also I feel the only way you come out of heartbreaks is when you do let friends in, the good ones. And in case you don't have that, I would say this is what I keep saying to everyone: meditate, meditate, meditate. You will find your connection with spirit, you will find connection with higher powers, and once you do that and once you start trusting in them, life will become flawless. You are also being asked to let go of these self-limiting belief patterns so that you can start receiving. And I can understand you might also have trust issues related to all of this, and that's very common, and that's something that's very natural for you to have. But it's all right. Don't go crazy about it. Give yourself time to heal, and along with that, it's an active process of letting go all these mental shackles of trying to finally grow trust in things. Because trust me, even I deal with trust issues from time to time. So that's it for today, pile 3. I hope you liked my reading. If you resonate with my work, please hit the like button, and please subscribe and press the bell icon for further notifications. And I love you all.